pictograms intended to visually convey specific physical and health hazard information. There are 9 pictograms you should be aware of and able to understand their meanings. Flame. This means it can catch on fire and to keep it away from heat, sparks, open flames, and hot surfaces. Flame over circle. This means it can cause or intensify fire because it's an oxidizer, so you want to store it away from combustible material. Exclamation mark. This means that the chemical is an irritant and that you may need or want PPE to avoid exposure. Exploding bomb. This means it can explode, so take precautionary measures when handling. Corrosion. This means it can destroy tissue, so you would want to use precautionary measures when storing and handling. Gas cylinder. This means the chemical is stored under pressure, so take precaution when storing. Health hazard. This means it can cause acute or chronic health effects, so you may need or want PPE. Skull and crossbones. This means that it is toxic, and so you may need PPE to avoid exposure. In addition, you may see this pictogram, which means the chemical can pose a hazard to the environment. Make sure that you read, understand, and abide by chemical labels on containers. If you cannot read or understand the label, contact your on-site supervisor. If you need more detailed information, you may need to check the Safety Data Sheet or SDS. Safety data sheets follow a 16-section format and contain important information such as product identification, hazard identification, composition and information on ingredients, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage, exposure control and personal protection, physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, as well as other information. It is very important that all chemicals are properly labeled and are stored appropriately.